what's going on, guys? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. Guess what I got? Oh, yeah. Ruffles, for limited time only, right there. Ruffles is making KFC original recipe chicken potato chips. It smells kind of like chicken, but not good like KFC chicken. I didn't like that. I'm not keen on the first smell. It smells weird. Anyway, let's try one. I'll let this sit for a second. I'm not sure what's going on here, but for 23 chips, I'll give you nutritional stuff. For 23 chips are 50 grams, 270 calories, 28 grams of carbs, 2 fibers, 2 grams sugars, 3 grams protein, and 290 milligrams of sodium, 600 milligrams potassium, 20 milligrams of calcium, 1 milligram of iron. They still don't smell any better. They taste chickeny, but not KFC chicken. You know what? Let me go about my day. Let me come back to these, because these aren't impressing me at all. Okay? It's the next day. I've had these all bundled up. I want to see. I tried some last night and I still didn't. I wasn't feeling it. Let's put it that way. So I'm going to try them today. I do get a different flavor, but you know what? To me, they taste like I've had chicken chips before. That's what they taste like. They don't taste like KFC chicken. They're all right. I'll eat them, of course. I'm not going to waste them, but there is a little difference in spice between regular chicken chips and these. But like I say, this isn't KFC chicken chips. You know what? For me, they're just chips. They're nothing special. It was kind of neat trying them, but if you've tried them and you had a better flavor than me, let me know. Maybe I'll go try them again, get another bag somewhere else. But for me, I'll take a pass. They did not taste like KFC chicken, and that was unfortunate because I was kind of looking forward to it. Anyway, guys, woo! It's turning cold. Anyway, I hope you take care. Please be safe on the road.